Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Vechain price prediction and Vechain news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Vechain in 2022. Vechain Vet is a blockchain platform for logistics management. Work on the project began in 2015 and it saw the light in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed control technologies and the Internet of Things to create an ecosystem that solves the main problems in supply chain management. The platform uses two internal tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on the Vechain public blockchain. The idea is to improve the efficiency, traceability and transparency of supply chains, while reducing costs and putting more control in the hands of individual users. Vechain was created by Sunny Liu, formerly the Chief Information Officer, CIO, of Louis Vuitton China. The second co-founder is Jay Zhang. He leads the global corporate structure, corporate governance and finance of Vechain. Zhang previously worked at Deloitte and PricewaterhouseCoopers in finance and risk management. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Vechain. Top cryptocurrency prices today. Bitcoin, Avalanche, Ethereum gain up to 9%. Terra drops 2%. Key cryptocurrencies climbed up to 9% in the last 24 hours, with Bitcoin topping the $41,000 mark and Avalanche and Ethereum seeing big swings. Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market value, was trading 0.69% higher at $41,124.58, taking its 7-day gains to 0.8%. Ethereum surged 2.9% in the last 24 hours to $2,769. The second largest cryptocurrency by market value has risen 3.9% in the last 1 week. And second news today, crypto exchanges facing fork in the road over Russia sanctions. London Stock Exchange Group CEO. Managers, emerging funds and token investments, plus direct equity plays. Part of the appeal, according to the marketing materials, getting access to managers who do not accept new investors or small checks. Equals pitch to managers, as it turns out, includes getting their foot in the door on co-investments. The window to access the best crypto-native managers is closing, while minimum investment thresholds are increasing, the marketing materials say. It imposes a minimum investment of $1 million, though limited partners chipping in $3 million get priority on co-investments. The fund has a 10-year lockup, with an optional 2-year extension. Equals due diligence process includes qualitative and quantitative analysis, including tapping a proprietary fund database. She's also poised to benefit from Kinetic's deep access to deal flow. Iqbal previously spent about 4 years in business development roles for Dubai sovereign wealth fund Mubadala. Her previous employers include Kochu Management and Morgan Stanley, and she has been personally investing in crypto since 2017. For VET holders, they would be losing profits in comparison to BTC. At BTC on a 1-week chart, on the weekly chart, the price has broken through the trendline. It has since not shown much bullish momentum to the upside. As you can see above at 200 sats, there is a clear supply zone. This can be observed by the number of wicks showing rejection in attempts from buyers to push the price up. If the price moves down and tests 145 sats, buyers must step in, otherwise, the price will end up testing the lows again. The previous weekly candle also has no bottom wick, which is not particularly bullish. VET on a 1-day chart, VET seems to be forming a range between 0.0002540 and 0.0001691. Since the price has just tested the higher level, it is likely that at some point it will return to the lower level. It can, therefore, be inferred that it is better to hold ETH than VET. The only way in which this would change is if 0.0002540 is flipped, which would then allow a move to around 0.00034. Although being short-term bearish on the pair is wise. The price has broken its bearish market structure recently, therefore, longing any dip would make sense. Areas around 0.0002 would provide a good entry. Summary: in the VET-USDT 1-day chart, the price has been accumulating in the range of 0.06 and 0.04. After breaking the supply zone at 0.0625, it is now moving forward to break the 0.083 level. On the weekly chart, the price has been rejected at the 0.1 supply zone. VET bulls would ideally want to see this level flipped. VET BTC 1-day chart has been in a consistent macro downtrend for almost a year now that has been broken recently. Providing that the retest of the 160 sat supply zone sparks more buying interest, the next level of interest is 215 sats. The weekly chart shows a similar picture, however, after being rejected at 200 sats, it may test the 145 sats level. On the VET 1-day chart, price seems to be forming a range between 0.0002540 and 0.0001691. The price has just tested the higher level, it is likely that at some point it will return to the lower level. Vechain price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Vechain Price Prediction 2022 Vet has huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Vechain, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $0.073. That is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $0.065, a minimum price of $0.063, and a maximum price of $0.073. Vechain Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Vechain will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach 11 cents in 2023. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.097, with a maximum price of 11 cents for 2023. Vechain Price Prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Vechain could cross $0.16 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around 14 cents. Vet Price Prediction 2025. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price forecasts for Vet will rise, as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2025 could end with an average bid of 21 cents and a minimum bid of 20 cents. The maximum bet is expected to be around 24 cents. Vet Price Forecast 2026. For a long-term forecast of the Vechain price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average Vet price will rise to around $0.30 by 2026, if the idea attracts more investors. For 2026, the year may end with a maximum price of 35 cents with a minimum price 29 cents level. Vet Price Prediction 2027. Vet will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Vechain price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2027, the Vechain rate will be almost 40 cents. The maximum bet we can get is 50 cents. Vechain N 2027 average price prediction could be around 42 cents. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Vechain Price Prediction 2028. It appears that by 2028, Vechain Vet prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2028, we can expect the average rate to be 60 cents. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Vechain's maximum price could be up to 72 cents in 2028. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market.